Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming from the previous video in real time last week, then this video is going to be the best wash and go you're ever gonna see in your life. But no, it's the best wash and go I have ever done for my hair, and I'm so excited to share with you guys all the products that I used, everything that I did, how I did it. So if you would like to see my new, I guess you can say, yeah, my new wash and go routine on 4C hair, then just keep on watching. Now this hair routine, I am so excited to share with you guys. If you saw my previous video, you know that I just took down a protective style. And if I'm being honest, I usually do not experience tangles or mats or anything. But my hair was so tangled in this video. It took me way longer than it should have for me to do the wash and go because I really had to go in and detangle. I should have detangled in the conditioner step, which is what y'all saw in the last video. So if you missed that, make sure you check that out. But anyway, to the fun part, which is this video. I am doing the most defined wash and go on my 4C hair that I pretty much have ever done. So excited. Okay, so the first product that I use is the Mazzani leave-in conditioner, and this I just wanted I mean, it does help with detangling, but I mainly just wanted to make sure I had enough moisture because I was now going to go in with the Dove scalp serum, which I genuinely love this serum. I did not actually use it correctly in this video. You're supposed to part and then put 3 droppers in each part, like 3 full droppers, but I just, you know, kind of winged it in that portion. And then I sectioned off and I went in with this product. This is the Sienna Naturals Curl Mousse. I'm not saying the full name because I can't remember off the top of my head, but everything will be in the description box. Either way, this is Issa Rae's hair brand, and I was on, actually, story time. I was on Sephora's website and I was like, I really want a new wash and go product to try. I saw this mousse and I knew that I already had this. And when I saw the before and afters on the website, you guys have to go look. Like I said, the link will be below. Y'all have to go look at the before and afters because they are legit everything, and for multiple different curl types. So definitely check that out. But I was so excited to give this a try. So the next time, literally, which was the first time after taking down my protective style, the next time I was like, I am going to do a wash and go with this product because I have to see. And I am absolutely obsessed with that mousse. It gives so much definition, and it has hold too. And you guys know that I live in a very humid climate. So this wash and go lasted for me for, I think, maybe like 4 or 5 days. Yeah, I'm just obsessed. So how I'm doing it is I'm applying the mousse and I'm sectioning off, and then I'm detangling, as well as helping the mousse to define the curls with my Tangle Teaser brush. So that portion is important too. So when you apply the mousse, you want to make sure that you are meshing it together, detangling, but in theory your hair should already be fully detangled, which it usually is, I guess, in a sense. But my hair, I was struggling. I tried to cut most of that out, but yeah, I was struggling as far as detangling. But usually it's a very easy process. But if your hair does tangle very easily, I would detangle first and then apply the mousse or whatever product, like you can do the leave-in conditioner and scalp serum like I did, and then apply the mousse, and then make sure that you work that in with some sort of defining brush to really just make them curls pop, baby. So after I went section by section, and which I actually, you know what, let me also tell you guys, in each 4th section, when I first took it down, I first sprayed the leave-in conditioner and then went in with the Dove serum and then went in with the mousse. That was like the order. I forgot to say those portions too, just for clarification. But yeah, once I did that and completed my entire hair go section by section, I then went in with the Pattern Beauty blow dryer. Now this blow dryer has multiple attachments. I have done a review on this blow dryer on my page before, so you guys can check that out if you want. But I love the diffuser for this blow dryer, and I like to use it when I am doing a wash and go. So I'm just using this to really just lock in that definition and to help my hair dry because I was about to go somewhere. But yes, once that's done, I was finished. So that is my wash and go routine. I am obsessed with just how much definition I have. I mean, I love it. And my hair is moisturized, my scalp is moisturized, my hair is like hydrated and everything. It does have hold though, which I really like, but it's like a movable, flexible, I guess what you would say, a flexible hold. But I am legit obsessed with this. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and if you're going to try any of the products that I used. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.